I had a bit of time over Christmas to work on a project which was training a neural net to count squat reps. It works by identifying the three phases of a squat, the top, middle and bottom, and if it sees a bottom followed by a top, it counts that as a rep. To identify the different phases of the squat, we feed each frame of the input video to an image classifier which returns probabilities for how likely that frame is to be one of the categories, and then we pick the one with the highest probability. The image classifier uses ResNet 50 as the base model. We keep most of ResNet 50's general image recognition behavior, e.g. its ability to detect edges, but we remove the last layer of the network and train it on our own dataset. Generating the training data was pretty easy, as I already had a collection of videos of me doing squats on my phone. I just needed a quick way to categorize the various parts of the squat in the video. I wrote an FFmpeg spell to split the video into JPEGs and a second script to show each of the JPEGs and let me quickly categorize them. I ended up with a little over 1700 categorized images. Then it was just a case of training the model and tweaking some parameters. Originally the model was very strict and refused to categorize any frames as deep enough to count as the low portion of the squat, which I respect, but not quite what we want. After tuning the learning rate, batch size, number of epochs, and taking the average prediction over a couple of frames, I got it to ease up a bit and start counting reps accurately. This is some squat footage the model had never seen before, and it managed to count all the reps successfully. I'm going to continue playing around with training this model and see if I can get it to generalize to work with some other exercises such as bench press. Also, I want to train it on a few more angles to make it a bit more robust to camera positioning. That's it for now. Stay tuned for further updates.